Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write emails with Claude in 2026. Struggling to write professional emails? Let Claude write them for you. Now, writing emails can be stressful, especially when they need to sound professional, polite, and persuasive. In 2026, Claude can help you write clear, well-structured emails for work, school, and personal use in only seconds. So let's see how to do it by following these few simple steps. First thing you want to do is to open your web browser and type in Claude in the search bar. Here you're going to click on the Claude website, claude.ai, and make sure you log in with your account. Once you do that, you're going to click on the text box right here, and you're going to write the prompt. You're going to describe your email. For example, write a professional email. Write a professional email like this. Email asking for an update. For an update about business. Now you can be more specific, and you can also click write a polite follow-up email depending on the tone of the email you want. You can write a professional email or a polite personal email, and Claude will do it for you. Just give him enough information about to whom you're sending an email, and make sure to choose between the models like this. And you're going to click here, click on send, and Claude will start generating the email. But it will ask you a few questions before to be able to specify the email. For example, it says, who are you emailing? For example, I'm going to click on a client, a project status, what's the urgency levels. You can choose depending on what you can enter these informations at first. Now Claude will start working on generating the email. As you can see here, it's working on it. So we're gonna review the email Claude generates and ask Claude to make it shorter, more formal or casual, and we write it for a different tone. As you can see here, this is the email generated. You can ask him for modification, or if you don't like this version, it can create a new one. And copy and send the email in your Google email. And don't send without reviewing it. Avoid sharing sensitive infos and ask for tone changes and personalized themes and names and details. And that's how you write emails with Claude in 2026. Faster and smarter. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.